Hey guys, in today's video, I'm super excited to be unboxing the brand new Mac Mini M1, which I just received in the mail today. I placed the order on Best Buy about 2 days ago and it got here so quickly. It's one of the Mac products that I've been eyeing for the last few months, and I was so glad to discover this crazy deal to purchase this original 8GB RAM model, which currently lists on Apple Store for about $700, and I was able to snatch it for less than $500. So if you want to know exactly what techniques I use, make sure you watch it till the end. Keep in mind that this tactic is extremely time sensitive. So without further ado, let's start. Let's open this baby up. Special protected. You guys see? The one I got is the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. I was pretty amazed on the shipping speed by Best Buy. It took like less than 2 days, I believe, to get this here. So I'm super excited to be using this Mac Mini to edit my next video. I did hear some reviews that because this is a brand new software, a brand new hardware and software, so some of the apps are not supported. Luckily, I'm only using iMovie to edit my videos. iMovie, Keynote, mostly all these like free apps that comes with any Mac. So I'm pretty excited to try it. So it comes with the charging cable, a little packet, basically just like give you like an overview of the Mac Mini and with an Apple sticker. Very sleek design, and it's actually relatively lightweight. It's much lightweight than what I anticipated it will be. It also says Mac Mini in the back. I don't know if you guys can see. And then there's another tape right here. I find these untaping exercises extremely satisfying. Comment down below if you guys feel the same. Alright, so looking at the outlets, there is the HDMI outlet. There is the for sound. And then there is also these regular plugins, and then the power button is right here. So the design is extremely sleek. I'm a big fan of Apple products, except for my phone where I use Android, but I'm super excited to test it out. Now let's move on to the part where I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I only paid less than $500 for this exact baseline M1 model. Right now, the M1 Mac Mini is currently listed on Apple Store for $699, and Costco is currently running a 1-week promotion, 1 week only, between February 17th to February 24th, 2021, for only $599. So that is a $100 difference to start off. And $599 is actually already a great deal, considering I've put price alert on this baby and it hasn't gone on sale for such a cheaper price. However, to make the price even sweeter, if you own an Amex Platinum credit card, you can go ahead and add the Amex Best Buy offer, which says if you spend more than $50 in Best Buy, you can get $50 back up to 2 times. So that is a $100 saving. You might ask, okay, this deal is available on Costco. How can I purchase it on Best Buy? What's great about Best Buy is you can do something called the price match guarantee. So even if you are not a Costco member, but you can still see the price listed, feel free to contact the customer rep. And here I'll put a screenshot of how exactly we communicated with the price actually before we make the purchase. And as soon as we make the purchase, we just give them the order number, and then they actually credit back us $100 difference right away. By owning this credit card, it also comes with a $30 PayPal credit every month. So what you have to do is add this Platinum credit card on your PayPal account and actually check out on Best Buy using PayPal as the checkout method. And because you link this credit card to your PayPal account, you can actually obtain that $30 credit. And if you don't own the Platinum credit card, I encourage you guys to sign up by using my referral link inside the description box. I really love the Platinum card because the annual fee you end up paying, which is $550, way offset the benefits you can get from just owning this card, including like 120 dining credits. Right now, they also added $30 PayPal credits. There's the $50 Saks Fifth Avenue credit twice per year. On top of it, some amazing cashbacks. Not to mention, Best Buy is one of it, which is like pretty much getting something for free, right? $50 back. They also have Home Depot, where you spend $50, you can get $50 back up to 2 times. So I'll be leveraging the Home Depot deal as well. Comment down below if you also own this credit card, and I would be curious to find out how much benefit you guys are getting out of this particular credit card. Right now, this one has an intro bonus of 100k MR points, which is one of the highest offers I've seen. And on top of it, if you already own this credit card, I encourage you guys to check out any retention offer. I got a 50,000 MR points with no spend requirement just by keeping the card open for another year. So if you're interested in finding out this retention script and a step-by-step tutorial on how to obtain your retention offer, I'll also link it on the screen. And to further stack more cashback, you should go to Rakuten and Best Buy before you're making a purchase. This is actually a step we forgot to do, but if you are watching this video, lucky you. Alright guys, so let's look at the final number. So we start with the original $699 on the Apple Store website, and after the price match, you get a $100 back from Best Buy. In addition to that, we get another $100 through the Amex Best Buy offer. And by checking out using PayPal, you get an additional $30 credit. In addition, you're getting 1% back from Rakuten. That is a $6 cashback. And this has brought down our final purchase price at a whopping $464, now including tax, which is almost 33% off on a Mac product. That is the best deal I've ever seen anybody talked about all over the internet. So if you're eyeing for the M1 Mac Mini, make sure you go do it ASAP. And voila, congratulations! You're getting this brand new Mac Mini for less than $500. One caveat here is the $50 twice cashback should be triggered, but sometimes then you need 2 separate transactions. So I'll make sure to update you guys if there is a problem with it. I still haven't seen it reflected on my account because it's only past 2 days, but I will be sure to update you guys if there is an issue. Usually the Amex customer rep is pretty good in handling cases like this, where you can call back or contact via chat to dispute, but even without it, it's still the best deal I've ever seen. Comment below if you do decide to implement my strategy, and would love to see you also getting this M1 Mac Mini for a great deal. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I would greatly appreciate you do so because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!